Hello guys, and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to print business card from Canva. So guys, go to this is my business card. As you can see here, click this icon share and click download and select type here PDF print, and after that guys, push this three option, crop and flatten PDF, and click download guys. After download guys, this business card, as you can see here, open wait to complete this download. As you can see here, wait and just open this file guys. After download this card, as you can see here guys, print, choose this print guys option. As you can see here, you can print and you can save pre-type as a, you can print on fax or any option. As you can see here, click fax and click print here and click print, just print. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe, like, share this video for more.